How to fix NTFS_file_system BSOD on Windows 10. Here are some possible solutions that would help fix NTFS_file_system BSOD on Windows 10. Fix 1. For advanced Windows users only, run the driver verifier via verifier command. Fix 2. Check hard drive via chkdsk/fc, command, admin mode. Fix 3, update device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Fix 4, perform startup. Repair. Fix 5, run system file checker, sfc/scano, admin mode. Fix 6, run dism tool, admin mode. dism.exe /online/cleanup image/scan health dism.exe /online/cleanup image/restore health. Fix 7, rebuild boot manager under the above mentioned advanced options, admin mode. Bootrec/fix bootrec/fix bootrec/rebuild. Fix 8, step A, boot the computer in safe mode wherein the computer starts with basic drivers and no third-party programs. Check if you are still receiving the error message. Step B, if the issue does not persist in safe mode, then perform a clean boot to check if any third-party application is causing the issue, as clean boot helps in eliminating software conflicts. Note, after troubleshooting, refer to the section how to reset the computer to start as usual after troubleshooting with clean boot to return the computer to a normal startup mode. Other tips are, 1. Check and extend hard drive space. 2. Clean installing Windows.